Hey there, Ride the Car Guy here, and today we are doing an auto active test on the Nissan Xterra. Now the auto active test in Nissans are kind of a self-diagnosis or a quick diagnosis of observable systems within the car. It's basically going to go through 6 individual systems and it's going to turn them on so they can be tested. It tests the rear defrost, then it tests the windshield wipers, then it goes on to the kind of all the secondary lights like the fog lights, turn indicators, tail lamps, and the license plate light. And then it will test the headlights, both high beam and low beam. Next, it does the magnetic clutch in the AC compressor. And then lastly, the electric cooling fan. Starting the test is actually quite simple. First and foremost, if you are going to test indoors, maybe you have a dry windshield, you want to pull your windshield wipers up so that way they can go back and forth and not just scrape dry against your windshield. And then you actually need to open your driver's door. And what that's going to do is allow you to access the little switch down below that tells the car that the door is closed. We're actually going to use that to activate this test. Next, you just take your ignition key, plug it in, and put it in the on position. Once it's in the on position, within 20 seconds, you need to go click this little switch in the door 10 times. All right. Then you want to turn the key to the off position, and when you turn it back on, you should hear the horn honk. There you go. So now we're in auto active test mode. Just sit back, let the car test all the systems, and make sure everything's operating correctly. You'll see it just started the windshield wiper test, so our windshield wipers are going. Different speeds. So that means our rear defrost probably already happened. So now our secondary lights just turned on, as you can see there. And now it went to our headlights, high and low beams automatically. And then you should hear it for quiet. You'll be able to hear the magnetic AC clutch turn on and off in just a moment. There we go. Excellent. And then our cooling fan, which is actually what's dead in my car, which is why I'm doing this test, so you won't hear that turn on. So what's great is that we'll run this test 3 full times. So we'll test all 6 systems in succession 3 times over. And so what's nice about that is, well, you have a little bit of time to go look at the systems and see if they're affected. Once it's done, you can just turn the ignition in the off position and it's over. If you need to end the test early, simply turn the key off and it will stop the test. Easy as that. So that's it. That's how easy it is to run an auto active test in your Nissan. I am in a 2005 Xterra, but you could be in another Nissan and it very well should work. I know that the TPMS, some of the throttle positioning, the airbag resets, those are all they work across a lot of different Nissans. So in the comments below, let me know what car you tried this on. Tell me whether or not it worked in your Nissan, and we can get a nice list going of the cars that this test will work on. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.